Going on, we just got this portable pump sent to us and I am shocked by how much I end up using this and how convenient this is. So for example, we're up here on the porch. I got a faucet all the way down. This is a 3-story porch and I always hate having to bring the hose all the way up. It's absolutely a pain, but with this portable sprayer, I can easily keep the top of my grill nice and clean. I'm weird, I like to have clean things. One thing that impressed me is the pressure that this gives. If you're cleaning something, you will have enough pressure to clean whatever you are cleaning. So if you're looking for a great portable sprayer that you can use for 1,000 different applications, cleaning your bike, cleaning your grill, cleaning your dog's paws, cleaning your desk after disc golf, cleaning your cleats after a game. If you need to use this to spray your garden and you don't want to use one of those hand pumps, this is so much more efficient. It charges USB-C, so then that way you can get the charge fast, so you can make sure that you always have this ready when you need it. So let's see how I use this cleaning a grill.